Hi everyone, so here's another quick Chameleon Flake tutorial, but this time I've done a crisp tip. So I prepped the nail as usual, and I'm going to start with my acrylic in birthday suit, and I'm just going to start by creating that crisp tip using the reverse method. So I've started with a bead where I've removed the liquid and I'm creating that smile line and extending that nail bed, making sure I'm creating a nice wall with the acrylic so that there's that nice crisp line. And when I'm happy with that, I come in with the second bead of acrylic, and I've only taken a little bit of the liquid out of that, so I get a nice blend towards the cuticle area, and then I cap it all in negligee, and this is a more transparent pink, so you get a nice blend from the cuticle area to the tip. And when that's all set, I'm just going to use my file to gently file in that smile line, and as I'm filing, I'm pushing against the acrylic, not down. If you push down, you can move the form, whereas if you press against the acrylic, you should be fine. So I've dusted away, and then I'm just using a little bit of that Black Magic coloured acrylic to create a very thin base. As you can see, I don't need much. I'm just wanting to create a thin base, and as I have used that file, I have a lovely crisp smile line. So I'm working quite thin because I'm just using it for design, as I then want to use my brush, just wet brush, just picking up those chameleon flakes and pressing them into the acrylic there. And once I'm happy with the design, I'm then going to cap the entire nail in the crystal glass. Making sure that the chameleon flakes all go matte so that I know they've been covered by that crystal clear, that acrylic. Okay, and then pinching at the right point, and then once it's all fully set, removing that form and filing into shape. So just neatening up the sidewalls and free edge first, checking it's the same length as the other nails, and then gently around that cuticle area, thinking about where I want my apex, and then filing the entire nail into shape. Making sure you don't focus on just one area as you're filing, making sure you're seeing that nail as a whole. Just checking the length and removing all that dust, and applying my LED top coat. And then placing in the lamp, and then giving it a little chance to cool down before applying the cuticle oil. So I hope you've all enjoyed that, guys. Any questions or comments, just pop them below.